Okay, right here, 2011 Haro, 300.1 series. Pretty nice, I like it. It was 26.5. Alright, let's start off with the pivotal seat. I have a plastic Haro pivotal. I don't really like it. I kind of hate it, which I'm going to switch it to an Odyssey. Let's see. Haro recycled pedals, plastic pedals, of course. They're actually pretty nice. I like it. Yeah, so as you can see, the whole bike is mainly stock. I got 25 tooth Haro chain wheel, stock cranks, 9-tooth driver back, Alienation PBR rim with a Quando hub, which is kind of dirty. I'm gonna put a hub cleaner on it. Yeah, front same. Front rim PBR. Yeah, same thing. KM seat chain. Yeah. Haro stitch grips, I say. With Tektro brake lever. Straight through cable. 8-inch rise bars. Stock headset. Kinda like it though. Pretty light bike. Drilled holes for gyro. Yeah. And then I got shadow pegs, red. Pretty nice. Kinda like them. But yeah, it's my bike. And I will make a new upload when I get new parts. I'm going to show you how the hub sounds. Stock, yeah. But just got the bike like a day ago, so I still got to wear it in. Slows down pretty quick. Yeah, but comment.